Hi Scorpio, how have you been? On Monday, you will start to actively finish your tasks and deal with the plans you have outlined. Organize an active holiday, a trip related to sports, or a cultural entertainment. Evaluate in depth what not only your past but also future events mean to you. Be daring. Although you might not struggle to find the necessary patience, you could wonder how much longer you will be expected to. On Tuesday, you want to be supportive in every way to a loved one but seem to be at the mercy of circumstances that you're unable to influence or control. What someone close wants and needs from you now is understanding. You can trust wholeheartedly that it is not misplaced or taken for granted. You enjoy a good physical structure but definitely need to take precautions and care. You need to stay away from thoughtless actions that could bring stress and tensions. You have a tendency to work under extreme conditions, which along with poor dietary habit could also make you feel weak and tired at times. On Wednesday, take control of your well-being, remain calm and focused, and don't carelessly be diverted or seduced by tempting but unhealthy distractions. Instead, look for choices that bring equilibrium into your life. Avoid the stimulating effects of coffee for prefer relaxing herbal tea. Take a long break and spend time outside in the open. You should avoid self-medication and always seek professional advice whenever necessary on matters relating to health. On Thursday, your mind is very active. You are full of ideas and inspiration. You will be constantly coming up with new plans which you will be able to plan and execute very easily. Your only problem today will be that you may feel overwhelmed by the flood of new ideas that will constantly fill your mind. You are also likely to inspire others around you to a higher level of activity. On Friday, love may be near you, but you are not able to catch the vibes. Today, focus on how people near you talk to you and behave with you. Someone near to you is yearning for your attention. There will be some confusion with people in relationship. Talk and listen to your partner as that will solve the problem. You will spend time on taking your mental and physical fitness to back where it used to be. You need to work hard. Due to some recent injury, you may find that you are experiencing joint pain where there was not any before. On Saturday, social gatherings could be pleasantly intense. A casual conversation with someone about something trivial could become quite deep. Because you feel that there is more between you than meets the eye, and there probably is, think about your next steps as well and do not hurry to proceed with their conversion. Try not to share your ideas and impressions with even your most credible friends because you will be creating problems for yourself. On Sunday, be careful meeting new people because you are in the power of emotion and your judgment is not right. The present astral energy encourages you to think about your future. Challenges are coming your way that will help you find a new approach to solve your personal problems. Someone may be in the mood to try and persuade you to go along with some very appealing plans, and you could be sorely tempted to follow blindly. Don't decline help. Do some light exercises to relieve the physical stress and strain. You will be back on your feet in no time, predicts your weekly horoscope.
My dear Scorpio, welcome back. Okay, now Monday. You may have an influence on your work, career and money sector. Now, don't panic, but know this: when you experience some instability or some urge in your professional or financial life, it's perfectly alright to feel unsettled every now and then. No, we have all been there, so that's fine, but you will want to do something different to escape the monotony. You will not see things happening the way it used to be. Rather, don't jump into anything without thinking about it long and hard. That's pretty much how Monday is going to be. Now on Tuesday, you will bring in a few complications with regards to your financial conditions. According to the financial horoscope, you may suffer a financial loss. Now I'm very saddened to hear that and say that to you. Or you may end up spending a little extra cash this year. But that does not mean that you cannot bounce back. No one's holding you back here. Things will pick up, and as per the astrological findings in your horoscope, it's rather going to be a fruitful year for you financially, but this is just a temporary phase. Alright, now hang in there. On Wednesday, you can expect an increase in money. Inflow of income will be more than great for you. See what I meant when I said about Tuesday? The period starting from today looks especially bright. Certain surprises are in store for you as well. You can expect things to be more positive for sure. Now on Thursday, things will start getting unfavorable. Unfortunately, crafty Mercury becomes deliberated in a dualistic nature. Now this means that your finance have the chance of hitting a rock bottom for a temporary period, but that is just for the phase. This period will improve to be the utmost challenging phase for you. But you do not worry, because the situation will definitely improve in accordance with the forecast of your financial horoscope. Now, towards the latter part of this week on Friday, you will need to plan your finances way ahead and make sure that you do not overspend. Controlling your finances in a creative manner will help you push through the phase, and you are likely to come out of it successfully. Alright, now towards the weekend on Saturday, after Mercury enters in your fire sign, the situation on the financial front will be on fire and will begin to amaze you. Refrain from taking any major decisions related to finance on the second half of the day. I'll tell you why in a moment. Even though your financials will be fairly good, there is no point taking any risks overall, because planetary position keeps changing. Overall, you are to remain in a healthy financial position on Saturday. Now, towards the end of the week, on the coming Sunday, Sunday is a great period to focus on fresh new starts. You will be starting new projects, working on new opportunities, and embarking on new journeys. You will have a lot of energy and motivation for them. You will be more proactive and more independent, and you'll be so proud of your strong pioneering spirits. You'll be smarter with your choices and changes that you will need to make. You will be more adventurous and creative, and you will have the time of your life. Have a great, awesome week ahead.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.